Brush my skin like a careless breeze, left a mark that no one sees. Every whisper, every touch, you gave me too little, but it feels like too much. Faded lines, faded lines, but they still burn. I can't forget, I never learned. You're my sunburn, my endless glow. You leave a trace wherever you go. It stings, it warms, I crave, I yearn. You're my sunburn. You're my sunburn. I'll never return. Golden hours, shadows grow tall. You're the heat behind